Happy birthday, Trisha. Best, best, best. Happy 20th birthday. Mm, Siyempre, I wish you all the very best in your life. Alam ko na someday magiging successful architect ka. And ikaw ang gagawa ng house ko for free. Right? um, Thank you sa friendship. Alam mo naman na lagi lang din akong nandito para sa'yo. Lagi mo yung tatandaan. At alam mo naman na ganito tayo. Hmm. Solid. Ganyan. Partners tayo. Partners. Partners. Yun. So, sana nagustuhan mo din tong video. Itong mga pinaggagawa ko dito. Yung, ito, basta, itong surprise video ko for you. And alam mo naman na you're so special to me. And I love you so much. Love you, best. And many more birthdays to come. Love you.